Hi guys, welcome to the introductory to the Blackboard scavenger hunt. So what this is this scavenger hunt is designed to provide you with everything you need to basically run the class. It'll take us through discussions, course modules, the test, basically everything. If you get through this scavenger hunt, in theory you've got all the basics that you need in order to go through this class. So if you'll notice in the AG Introduction to Blackboard video, it has a marked reviewed. In order for things to show up in this class, you have to do it. And then to do it, then you say mark reviewed, and it's called adaptive release. The next thing will come up. So once you get done with one thing, you can do the next. So once you hit reviewed, you notice that the syllabus shows up now. So you go through, you'd read through the syllabus, take your time to check it out, see if you have any questions, and then at the end you hit mark reviewed, and then the next thing pops up. So what it is, it'll release each portion of it. So in this scavenger hunt, we have to go through and fill out our first couple assignments. So we're going to do the student information assignment. So you click on it. The crucial component is make sure you click on write submission. So here's your instructions. Okay, so you put your name, email, cell phone number. That way I have your contact information. And then you click on the submission button and go ahead and write in your submission of all your information. So name, email, and so on and so forth. And you'd go through, and at the end you would hit submit, and this immediately sends it over to me as that you've done it. Now it'll ask you to review. If you need to review it, go ahead. If not, you can just hit OK. Okay, and then it'll take you back to where you were at. And what I need to do is mark reviewed. That's my signal to the system to go ahead and release the next portion. So there's assignments, there's discussions, and there's tests. Those are your main parts of the class. So I just showed you the assignment, and now we're going to go ahead and go to a discussion. Now this discussion is just a link to the discussion board. It's not actually taking you to the discussion board, it's going to take you to the link. So which course module are you most interested? So I would put create thread, and on create my thread I would say I'm most excited in nutrition, and I create the subject. Okay, and I would go through and show that this is my discussion. Now for some of the discussion boards, you're going to have to respond to your classmates. Sometimes you have to respond multiple times to your classmates. So this kind of shows you the threads that are available. If you need to respond, you can click on and see mine. That's how the threads work. Okay, so when I get done, I'd go back to my introduction, and I would then go down to, and I would go ahead and mark review. That's my signal that I did it. And it's going to pop up to the last thing, which is the practice test and class rules. Okay, in this practice test, you'd go ahead and start the practice test and hit begin, and you'd go through and answer the questions. Okay, mark your test, say I understand, no, and understand that each. For some of the tests, you're only allowed to take them once. Some of the tests give you 2 tries, and some of them are unlimited. Just depends on the test. So make sure before you hit OK to go into the test, you know the rules of the test, because I can't set up a second chance for you to do it. Once I set the rules of the test, there is no second chance. So pretty much that is the 3 sections of Blackboard that you're going to need to use in order for our class to work. If you have any questions, you can always email or give me a call. Emails works best, and you can even message me through the Blackboard system. But that's it.